What's up, guys? In today's video, we are going to be getting out of the map and trolling people. Or just hanging out, you know? I don't know.
Run in the arcade.
No. Oh. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I was not fast enough. Give me 1 second. Just gotta race over here. Give me a second, guys. Oh, dang it.
Oh, yeah, you can go back up.
Okay.
We're just gonna be going.
I can do it because I did it. But you can do it. So what you have to do?
Alright, okay. Alright, I have the news, I seen the player count. I think I know what's happening.
No, I didn't do it. I didn't do it. I feel like you're trying to get me out of the lobby. No. I can't do it anymore.
I'm recent. The recent rumors that Rotec is dying. And I started to leave. Content creators are leaving. It's not anything new or anything.
It's the magic. Guys, this is the most magical place of called the Autism Land.
Hi, buddy.
Yeah, but I don't know.
I finally understand
what's
this.
happening.
It's called the Autism Land.
What's happening?
Autism Land. Choo choo.
What happened to the city? Bloody hell, it looks like...
Stitch died 20 years ago.
True.
Your mother.
Imagine saying that in
Wait, what's your fucking
2024.
question? Your mother.
Your mother? Bro, imagine saying that. I want to put this on.
Wait, the guitars are back.
Oh yeah, the guitars are back. Look, bro. Look.
Don Bonnie, bro.
I know the guitars are back. Look at this.
Whoa.
Green, why? Why?
What does it look like?
That's why. Green, why did you learn to do this?
Don't question me.
You're just cheating. You're just flat out cheating right there.
I'm not actually.
I don't know how to play guitar.
I want to do fast.
You know how to play this.
I'm just a massive skill issue right here. Like, everything just wants to fade away. Oh.
Stop it.
Oh, heck nah. Why are you like this? Why are modders like this?
That's more than trying to stop the collectors. We're getting forest. I'm coming. Stay there. I'm on the way. Give me a high five. Fist bump. How do you get to second floor? You do good, boys. Hi. How do you get to second? Are we all trying?
Yo, buddy.
Hello, bud. Hello, buddy.
Changing
Oh,
in 16
Are you
days.
cooking?
Changing in 16 days. Okay.
Yo.
I must go
Yo,
to
yo.
a place that
Wait, how do you
nobody
get-
Yo, bro.
Stay there, I'm coming. Stay there.
travel.
I'll come to you. What the hell did I just do?
This?
Okay, person forward, I'm on my way. Guys, how did you get to second floor?
Oh,
How'd you get
come here.
to
I'll show you. Come here.
I must go.
So what you want to do is you want to stand right here. All right.
How do you get follow me.
Magical.
What the hell? How did you do that? How was
No.
How are you moving?
I'm in here. I'm in the walls.
How do you not thrown up? So how do you get in there? Like,
You are actually not okay.
I'm not human.
No.
Oh wait. Hold on. This is why I hate mini games, kids.
I'm not a kid. I'm just asking if somebody else can play.
Blood got
So
lost.
somebody can actually have fun. Get lost. Hey! What the? None.
Yo, yellow.
How do you do that, bro? How do you do that? Guys, I'm in forest. So is red guy. What he was.
Yo, chill. I'm being murdered. I'm currently being murdered. Wait, it's a sayonara? Wait, what?
Ban me if you're real. Ban me if you're real.
Yo, Daisy, I need to ask you an important question. Daisy.
Bro, do you have a soundboard? Is that actually real?
Watch. I'll let you know if this is real.
How does you do that, bro?
It takes years of practicing, bro. I've been able to do this ever since I was like 8 or 7.
Oh, crap. Come give me. Anybody wanna go ghost hunting? Wait, meet me.
Leave, yeah.
I'm at forest. Meet me there.
Yo, pink.
Hi, Green.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Wait, minigames kid.
Bro, you haven't let it out. You were born.
It's a minigame, kid.
Yeah, I burped in his face. Want to hear it?
Not really.
The problem is I'm not even a real minigames kid, bro. I'm not even a real minigames kid. I just got the party hat so I can troll people.
Yeah. You're being.
What? Bro,
Alright, I need to leave.
You want to see my real cosmetics?
I need to leave.
Come here.
You see my real cosmetics?
I need to leave.
My real cosmetics.
Fucking stay pony.
Yo, medieval hat. Medieval hat.
You're very mean.
But I make a wish and got a boner. Oh no!
Try a new city lobby. That was funny.
Please come to the lobby board. Okay.
Wow, rude. That's rude. That's really rude. Oh my gosh.
What's the code?
Why are you alone?
We get this connect card
Yo, wait, bro, blue.
Hey, are you American? You American?
Is this a sign of me being an American?
Are you American?
Hold on.
No, I cancelled it.
Now I'll report you for cancel, buddy. In your face. Don't report me for cancel.
Black. Can you teach me how to play?
Yeah, I can. There you go. That's how to play.
You look like the British, you fat pig! Actually, I will give you 10,000 shiny rocks if you teach me how to play. No, you won't, bro, if you don't know how to play them. Alright, fine. Why are you barking in my face? You gangster!
Stop throwing it at me. Blood mist. Holy crap, he's bad at his aim. Oh my gosh.
That's a glitch you can do.
Blood mist.
Hey you, purple No, I'm British.
Oh my god, no wonder none of these people are in school, bro.
Go black. I need to tell you something very important. It's deadly important.
No, he's gonna burp.
Hey, buddy.
Run from the burpee stinks.
Burpee stinks. What the heck? I mean, he is not
The
wrong.
burpee stinks. Run from the burpee stinks.
You can't run from me, big boy. Bro, what the heck? Oh crap, hold on. Bro, what the heck? He gave me my own name, bro. What the heck?
Where's your rosy cheek?
Bro, what?
Where's your rosy cheek? Where's your rosy cheek?
Buddy, don't run. Yo, party at. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. I had a chili. Sorry about that. I had chili. Sorry about that. Where do you think you're going, buddy?
Why don't you just play one?
I can sing and burp.
Yeah, can't you just play one for now?
Ew, brother, ew!
What do you mean, ill brother, ill?
It's stinky.
Yeah, hey Black.
Whatever.
How's it going, buddy? Hey Black.
What?
Sorry, I had chili. And I ate my grandma. Sorry about that.
Like the book cosmetic.
Yo,
Hey,
bro,
guys.
you love the book cosmetic?
How to get the book cosmetic? But how to get it? How do I get the book cosmetic?
Nunya. I love you.
Bro, do you know how to get the book is minute though?
Yeah, I don't know. I do not know. Totally. I totally do not know.
Hello. How?
Yo,
Yay.
hello, Green. Hello, Green.
I'm new.
Okay, come on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bro, what was that?
How did you go so fast? How? Did you go so fast?
Like this?
How did you run that fast? How did you do that?
Skill. And I mean lots of skill.
How do I run? What do you guys do that? To go like on the floor? What the fuck?
I need to join a new lobby. Actually, no. Alright, guys. That's all. If you want a part 2 of me burping in people's faces, then, yeah, like and subscribe. Oh my gosh, my stomach hurts now. Bye.